and welcome to another cosplay transformation, part 2 of Coraline. But this time I'm transforming into the button-eyed Coraline, so we're actually starting off by making the buttons with the black Snazaroo face paint. So be aware that I already did the regular Coraline makeup. If you would like to see that video, go take a look at Coraline Cosplay Transformation Part 1, which I have linked in the description below. Alrighty, so first of all, I'm making the button eyes. So I started by making a circle with my black Snazaroo paint. It is face paint, so you're going to need a little bit of water and just a paintbrush. I am making sure that I cover my eyelid completely as well as under my eye. I want to make sure that I almost get into my waterline, but I try not to put face paint in my waterline, so I will end up putting eyeliner in my waterline to complete the black look completely. Make sure that you try to make it as round as possible for buttons. So this is one of the fastest ways to do it. If you don't have buttons and you want to, try to be as cost effective, I guess the most cost effective way to do a cosplay for Coraline when you want to do the buttons and you do have face paint at home. You could also use eyeshadow, but my easiest thing to use was the black face paint. So I'm doing the same step on my left eye. I made the circle, well, more of a half circle right now, and I'm filling in the top of my eyelid as well as the bottom portion below my waterline, and I'm making sure that I complete that circle. It is hard to make two perfect circles, so try your best. And I am gonna go ahead and use black eyeliner as well to go ahead and complete the look on the waterline. I am fixing a little bit of imperfections, which will, make the eye look a little bit bigger, but that's totally fine. I'm drying it up a little bit, and now I am actually making the mouth with the NYX eyeliner. Well, it's liquid liner, and I'm making just the little stitching. So I'm making little happy face type mouth because she does have slight stitching if you zoom into the doll. So I'm making the little stitch lines. Her stitch lines are more of a skin tone, but I wanted them to be more visible, so I went ahead and used the black. And as I said before, I was going to go ahead and add some black eyeliner onto that eye, so I went ahead and did that now. Next, I'm pretty much just filling in any little areas that I feel need to be done once again. There is some areas that just needed retouching once it was dry. Now I'm making the little stitches. So I'm doing 2 X's on each side, put 4 dots on each, and then go ahead and do the X and the X. Pretty much do a half X on each side, on the top and on the bottom. Now I'm going to be adding some little stuffing to make it look like the Coraline doll was not stitched all the way through the mouth. I'm adding some Prozade on my face, letting that dry a little bit, and now once it gets tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply my little stuffing. This is just polyfill, just for anybody that's wondering. It's pretty much what's inside pillows. Now I'm just pretty much touching up my X's that I have on my eyes. Like I said, they're just half of an X on each eye, on the eyelid and then below the waterline. Afterwards, I'm putting my Coraline wig back on, and I need to go ahead and restyle it with my bobby pins. So I'm going to go ahead and restyle each side. You want to make sure that you can see the stuffing very well, so try to get that hair out of the way. I'm putting my coat back on, and I already have my blue skinny jeans on, which the doll doesn't have that, but the Coraline regular does have that, so I'm just keeping the same outfit. And I do have my yellow rain boots, so this is the complete look. I hope y'all like this kind of creepy look Coraline. I really enjoyed making it, and if you want to see the pictures, they are on Instagram, so go ahead and check that out. Don't forget that I stream on Twitch every Wednesday and Friday, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye everyone!